From class 8 math NCERT CBSE book, we have come in question number 8, okay, from exercise 13.2. A factory requires 42 machines to produce a given number of articles in 63 days. Okay, the number of article here, the number of article are constant. Okay, for a given number of article, 42 machine, if we use the 42 number of machine, then this constant number of articles to produce the constant number of articles, it have take 63 days. Okay, 42 number of machine takes 63 days to complete, to produce this number of article. Understand? How many machine would be required to produce the same number of article? Article number are same. Okay, so or total job are same. Okay, but he is asking the number of machines. How many number of machine we require in 54 days? Here the number of days are reduced. Definitely, if the number of days are reduced, then number of machine will have to increase, because if 42 machine produce 63, if 42 machine takes 63 days, then for in 54 days to complete the job in reduced day or 54 days, we have to put more machine. Then it is possible same number of article produce. Okay, then we have supposed that let the required number of machine be x. Okay, required number of machine be x. In the form of table, number of machine 42, then number of days takes 63. For 54 days, we have supposed that x number of machine we require. Okay, the required number of machine be x. Okay, so here it is clear that if machine will increase, then number of days will reduce, or if the number of days is reduced, then machine will have to increase. That it is the case of definitely it is the case of inverse proportion. So for less number of days to complete the job, for any job, if we want to complete any job in less number of days, so more number of machine we require, so the more would be the number of machine required. So it is the case of inverse proportion. So 42 into 63 is equal to x into 54, because it is inverse proportion. 42 into 63 is equal to x into 54. So value of x equal to 42 into 63 by 54. So what will be value? That 9 6 ja 54 and 9 7 ja 63. Okay, and 6 1 ja 6, 6 7 ja 42. That is 7 into 7 is equal to 49. So required number of machine will be 49. Okay, so if we will put 49 number of machine, then it is possible that job will complete in 54 days. Otherwise, if we will use 42 number of machine, then it will take 63 days. So we will have to put 49 number of machine to complete this 49 days. Okay, understand?